Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings, scroll all the way down and choose additional settings. Now click on one-handed mode and tap on the switcher, the gray one, to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to click on the gray area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, you need to access the same settings and tap on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!